This is the tech demo for Stone Soldiers. This portion will cover the map, world, magic, people, culture, and architectural design of the Stone Soldiers world. This is the map that Stone Soldiers takes place in. The very first campaign takes place in the Desert Nation. In the Stone Soldiers world, magic is passively used both when you think and when you act. The people who heavily practice this magic are known as Stonecasters. Here it is an example of a Stonecaster from the Desert faction. The Stonecasters concentrate their magic to create creatures called golems to fight in combat. Regular day-to-day people still use magic, however they do not use golems. This is a general overview of how the day-to-day life of the actual Desert faction plays out, both from the politics, religion, and how they manage their own military. This is a close-up of where the first campaign takes place in the Desert faction. This nation is heavily influenced by its three gods, the Sun, Water, and Death God. This is the port city. Around it is also the Sun Temple. This is a location up north in the Desert Nation. This is the Water Temple, built over the main river of the nation. The river rises and falls and is treated as if it's seasonal periods within the Desert faction. This is the Death Temple, which has been pushed off so that we could focus more on the current locations and the game mechanics of the world itself. Speaking of game, this is the primary game mechanics portion of the video. This is the main game design document, used to transition the game from concepting over to its primary prototype phase. The goal of the prototype is to have 3 game modes completed, the first one being the campaign mode. This is where the player will be able to design their party composition and then level them up as they play throughout the campaign. The next stage is to focus on the multiplayer section, where people will be able to join and play with each other primarily via Steam first. A majority of the systems are already built with replication and Steam networking in mind. This is due to the fact that I myself have created a chess demo already in the past that works with Steam multiplayer. Last but not least is the custom game mode. In this game mode, you are able to pick units from the campaign and create custom skirmishes for you to try out that you normally wouldn't be able to do. Following this is actually gameplay of the prototype prior to the GDD being done. One of the primary features of this prototype is being able to load in a map from an external tool developed in Godot. The prototype also focuses on getting the features ready for turns and ability and combat that is compositionally based, ready for multiplayer. During our final sprint, I worked on fixing garbage collection and pointer issues, while our VFX artist worked on Fog of War. The next feature to implement is when the Stonecasters are destroyed, the golems they control are also destroyed. In the background, we have our graphics designer overhauling the UI to get ready for the unit customization feature. Here's some C++ code, cause why not? Moving forward, features will be posted in shorter, digestible forms on social media for our community. Thanks to our wonderful team's work, we will be applying for the Epic Grant this 14th. Wait a second. When am I editing this video by?